Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. I just wanted to update you on the current Bitcoin situation and what I think is going to happen in the near future. As you guys know, we have had an open trade, a long trade on Bitcoin. It has hit TP1, and then we moved the stop loss to entry, and then I decided to cancel it because, well, about on this candle we lost the momentum we needed in order for our price to take profit at about the 38.5k level, and so yeah, we lost that momentum. The price has come down a bit now, retesting the current pivot that we have right here, and also coinciding with the ascending trend line that forms the bottom part of the symmetrical triangle. Now, the symmetrical triangles have 50-50% chance to leave either way. Okay, the problem is also that we have hit some psychological cap with the all-time high that we have had here. We hit also a psychological cap, and from then we also had only lower lows. Okay, so we are continuing to plot lower lows, and in the same time we are plotting higher lows. Okay, so lower lows with higher lows on the low side means symmetrical triangle. Okay, so two cases, of course, because it's 50-50. On the downside, I think that the predicted target would be at around this level. Okay, so 25.5, which would be, of course, a very good entry. Now, we can trade this in multiple ways. We can either trade the turtle way, so like waiting for the position to fill both sides like this. So for example, we are going to wait for the price to reach this level, so passes R1, confirms like about this. We stop loss just under the descending trend line, so the upper part of the triangle. This would be one trade. The second trade would be a short, similar to the long, so with a stop loss inside, an entry at about this level. Why this level? Because, well, we have the legendary trend line right here, so the price kind of rejects on it. Okay, we would take profit at my indicated target on the lower side. Okay, so we would have a very good risk reward ratio in this case on the short. On the long side, we can just base our assumptions on the existing Fibonacci levels that we have found. So in this case, I will just place my take profit around this level. I think that if I plot a Fibonacci level, a correct Fibonacci level, I would find some other targets, but it's not really the discussion right now, because on the high side, we don't really need to have a precise target as long as the price continues to move. For now, it is in a triangle and it is not decided which way it will go. I personally think that it will go to retrace back to 25.5. I might be wrong, but as I said, we have the multiple possibilities to trade this. Either we have like a turtle strategy right here, so we have a long waiting for the price to fill here, and then we take profits as the price moves on, and a short right here, and then we take profits as the price moves down. So imagine that you have like a box and you have entries set here and here. Both can be placed in the same at the same time on an exchange if you have Hedgemont on Binance, or you can have multiple accounts, sub accounts, multiple ways to trade this. You can even have like a spot position on long and short position on futures. There are multiple ways to trade this. So this is like the turtle strategy. You can also wait for the price to calm down after the move. One thing is for sure, the price will move a lot because we usually move the base of the triangle. So right now, the base of the triangle covers about 31%, and this is what I think the price will do as a move really soon. So the last possibility that you can have as a trade would be to wait for the price to reach this level and then enter here with the stop loss, of course, taking into account the current resistances. So right now we would have like a support, sorry, we would have like S3 here and another legendary trend line right here. So a good trade would be to enter a bit like this. So waiting for the price to come down at about this level, then we would set our take profit dynamically. It depends on the market, how it reacts. Usually about when we have moves like 30%, the market, like, it's reacting really strange, it would go up with a big rejection week, and then it will calm down with zero volume, almost not zero but very low volume, for like 1 day or two, and then it will continue in the direction that was reversed. Okay, so for the knife catch right here, I would suggest this as a trade. This would be a good knife catch, but remember, you can also have the previous two trades. So if you trade like the turtle way, you are assured that it doesn't matter where the price would go, if it goes up or down, you can have the trade and you can protect it with a stop loss. The thing is, I don't know if I can post it on our signals in both ways, because it will like be a contrarian signal. I will see if I technically can post this with our bot. If I cannot, you can possibly trade this as a strategy in this particular situation. Okay, so guys, this is all for this video. I just wanted to update you on the current situation. Let's talk about it in chat. If you have questions, don't hesitate. Thanks.